In the quest for wellness and vitality, incorporating natural, nutrient-rich foods into our diet is key. Among these, dried fruits stand out as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a convenient and delicious way to boost our health. Dried fruits such as apricots, cherries, and figs are not just tasty snacks. They are dense in essential nutrients and can play a significant role in revitalizing our bodies, especially when it comes to detoxification and promoting healthy digestion. Let's dive into how these dehydrated delights can enhance your daily meals and contribute to a more vibrant you. The nutritional benefits of dried fruits. Dried fruits retain most of the nutritional value of fresh fruits, making them a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are particularly noted for their high fiber content, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber aids in the smooth functioning of our digestive system, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements, which are essential for detoxifying the body. Moreover, the natural sweetness of dried fruits provides a healthy alternative to processed sugars, satisfying sweet cravings without the negative health impacts. Incorporating dried fruits into your daily diet. 1. Energizing breakfast bowls. Start your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast bowl that incorporates dried fruits for an extra energy boost. Mix your favorite whole grains such as oats or quinoa with a handful of dried cherries and apricots for sweetness and texture. The antioxidants in cherries and the potassium in apricots can help kickstart your metabolism and prepare your body for the day ahead. Recipe idea: cherry apricot morning bowl. 1 cup cooked oatmeal. 2. A handful of dried cherries and chopped apricots. 3. A sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds. 4. A dash of cinnamon. 5. Almond milk to your liking. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, adding almond milk to achieve your desired consistency. This breakfast bowl is not only delicious, but also supports healthy digestion and provides sustained energy. 2. Satisfying snack mixes. For a midday snack that keeps hunger at bay and supports detoxification, create your own trail mix with a variety of dried fruits, nuts, and seeds. Dried figs, for example, are high in fiber and calcium, making them an excellent choice for bone health and digestive wellness. Recipe idea: fig and nut trail mix. 1. A handful of dried figs chopped. 2. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. 3. A few dark chocolate chips, optional. 4. A sprinkle of sea salt. Mix all the ingredients together for a satisfying snack that combines the natural sweetness of figs with the healthy fats and proteins from nuts and seeds, promoting fullness and aiding in detoxification. 3. Creative salad toppings. Elevate your salads by adding dried fruits as a topping. The natural sweetness of dried fruits can enhance the flavors of your greens and veggies, making your salads more appealing and nutritious. Dried apricots, for example, pair wonderfully with arugula, goat cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette, creating a delightful mix of sweet and savory. Recipe idea: apricot arugula salad. 1. Arugula and mixed greens. 2. Sliced dried apricots. 3. Crumbled goat cheese. 4. Toasted walnuts. 5. Balsamic vinaigrette. Combine all ingredients, drizzle with vinaigrette, and enjoy a refreshing salad that's rich in nutrients and flavors, supporting your body's detox processes. Dried fruits are a versatile, nutritious addition to any diet, especially for those looking to revitalize their body and support healthy detoxification. By incorporating dried fruits into your meals, you're not just indulging in their delightful sweetness, you're also harnessing their health benefits, from improved digestion to enhanced energy levels. Let the natural goodness of dried fruits inspire your culinary creations and contribute to your overall wellness. In the quest for wellness and vitality, incorporating natural, nutrient-rich food